Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x to the power 2024 plus 1 over x to the power 2024, where x square plus 1 over x square is equal to square root of 2. We have given x square plus 1 over x square is equal to square root of 2. Now taking square to both sides, we can write x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to square root of 2 whole square. Or applying formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, we can write it as x square whole square plus 2 times x square times 1 over x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to this square root, and a square will cancel out, so it will remain 2. Or x square whole square is x to the power 4 plus this x square, and this x square will cancel out, so it will remain 2 plus 1 over x square whole square is 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to this 2. Or x to the power 4, now taking this 2 to right side, we will have 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to this 2 minus this 2. Or x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Or multiplying both sides by x to the power 4, we will have x to the power 4 times x to the power 4 is x to the power 8 plus 1 over x to the power 4 times x to the power 4 is 1 is equal to 0 times x to the power 4 is 0. Now taking this 1 to right side, we will have the value of x to the power 8 is equal to negative 1. Now x to the power 2024 plus 1 over x to the power 2024 is equal to x to the power divided 2024 by 8 is 253. So x to the power 8 whole to the power 253, this 8 times 253 is 2024 plus 1 over x to the power 8 whole to the power 253 is equal to, now substituting the value of x to the power 8 is equal to negative 1, we will have negative 1 to the power 253 plus 1 over, similarly x to the power 8 is negative 1, so negative 1 to the power 253 is equal to negative 1 to the power odd number is negative 1, so it will have negative 1 plus 1 over, similarly negative 1 to the power 253 is negative 1 is equal to negative 1, and 1 over negative 1 is negative 1 times plus is negative 1. So negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So this is the value of x to the power 2024 plus 1 over x to the power 2024. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.